Okay. Yes, this is a Friday morning, and I took my seedlings outside in my makeshift greenhouse. So, uh, yeah, I don't have an actual greenhouse. So, just took like a clear plastic bag, slid it down the center and the bottom, or wait, sorry, more like a side and in the bottom, opened it up flat, and just lay it over top of your pots and use it as a greenhouse. My zucchini seeds are coming. Well, they're growing. I don't know if you can see them. That's just some stuff. And there's no update over there because there's not much happening. I only got seeds in one thing. Yeah. Anyhow, you can do this too. I can bring this all inside later on. But it's just so nice out right now that I think that they need lots of sunlight to start. So yeah, just grab like a clear plastic bag and make your own greenhouse. Yeah, and you can have these all over the place. That is the scoop for today on what's happening downtown. And I'll be back again eventually. Yeah, so my makeshift greenhouse.